that looks delicious. All right, I'm making strawberry truffles. I got these really pretty dark pink candy melts at Walmart. Now I think one bag of these is 2 cups, but let's see. Shall we? Hold on. Yes. So 12 ounces is 2 cups. And I was just shy, so I'm gonna add some of those pink ones in with these. Okay, now we're going to melt the chips with our sweetened condensed milk. Now, I'm only using a container of sweetened condensed milk, so 7 ounces, not quite right around a 1/2 cup, because white chocolate, now the candy melts actually might set up harder, but white chocolate chips usually don't set up as hard. So we're gonna get this melted. Then while we're melting, I've got freeze-dried strawberries here, and I got a few left here that I'm gonna finish up, but I'm gonna make sure that these are smashed into a really fine powder. So I'm going to take my rolling pin, okay, get it in there, let the air out. These are just strawberries, there's nothing else. Okay, and then I'm just gonna smush the daylights out of it.
This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now.
Why this one isn't sealing. There. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, it's melted pretty well. Did 45 seconds in my microwave. It's 1200 watts. Just depends on how you want to do it. Okay, now this is a 1/2 package of dried strawberries, and yeah, I think we're gonna want a whole package. And I haven't decided if I'm going to do circles or squares or not. I don't know yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour this in my square container, and then I will decide if I'm going to do circles or squares. Oh man, this smells really good. Okay, now we got that all nice and smooth. We're gonna let it set up, and then we will come back and cut it and dip them. Oh, yum, that looks really good. Okay, hold on, I gotta try. Just, let's see. Hey, that's pretty good. Wow. Okay, we're gonna let this set up. All right, if you want our original truffle recipe, Dining on a Dime Cookbook, Volume 1, page 328. Now, this one is slightly different using whipping cream, but that is okay. It is also very delicious. All right, now, I'm going to take my white chocolate, or almond barks, for those of you who are very particular, and I'm going to melt this in the microwave. Okay, this is not as thick as I was hoping it would be. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut it into pieces and roll the balls instead of the squares, I guess, I think. I don't know. Should I do that? Yeah, I guess I'll do that. Okay, we'll try that and see what happens. So now, I'm going to, oops, got a little too cold. Yep, okay. I would maybe form it into balls right away instead of letting it set up. But there you go. So I'm gonna form these and then I'm going to dip them. I'm gonna remelt these and roll them instead. Now I'm going to use my dipper that a viewer sent me, but you can use a plastic fork and just take off the center 2 tines and use that to dip too, and that works really well also. Okay, nice. Okay, so now I would leave a few of your strawberries back and just sprinkle a few on top. Ooh, yum. Okay, so I'm going to double dip my truffles. I'm not good at dipping, guys. I'm just not. But hey, it tastes good, right? So does it really matter? Probably not in the big scheme of things. Oops. Okay. Well, I guess I'm double dipping that one. Going to do a different top decoration. I'm just going to take my stuff and just go over the top. If you want, I'm going to leave a couple. Well, let me just go over all of them, I guess. Okay, now just save this for your next candies. Okay, now let these set up and then we'll have my taste test. I have my truffles here, double dipped. I don't know if my camera was running when I was double dipping them, so this is the only time you're allowed to double dip. It was a joke. It was a joke. All right, there's all the white ones. And here's all the ones with a bit of strawberry on top. Yum. Okay, I'm gonna take a thumbnail and then I'll have my taste test. Okay, there they are. I'm going to cut one open here. Oh,
that looks amazing.
That looks delicious. What do you think, dear?
It does. It Looks quite delicious.
Okay, do you want to try a whole one or do you want to try a half a
I
one?
don't mind trying a half one.
Okay, here we go.
It smells good.
Strawberry white chocolate. It's pretty delicious, isn't it?
Tasted the white chocolate first, then the strawberry kicked in afterwards, and then the strawberry got stronger. That's yummy.
Oh,